Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to see recently used apps on iPhone. So let's get into it. First of all, let me open some random apps on the screen. I will open 4 or 5 different apps and close them. Now to see your recently used apps, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. If you are using an iPhone with the home button, double click the home button instead. This will bring up the app switcher displaying all your recently used apps. You can scroll left or right to browse through your recently used apps. You can scroll left or right to browse through your recently used apps. If you notice something, I opened the Google Maps lastly. That means this is the most recently used app. There is an other way to do this. Find the settings app and tap to open it. Once you are in, open the screen time settings. Tap on app and website activity. If you have not activated these settings, tap on turn on. Now tap again to see all apps and website activity. On my phone screen, you cannot see any activity because I have just turned it on. And that's it. This is how you can see recently used app on iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.